Bio Anti-Ash, slay your insecurities. Bio Anti-Ash, slay your insecurities. Draw and prepare platelet-rich plasma. Step 1. Open the medical PRP kit package and remove the tray. Step 2. Remove the 212 ml tube and prepare your platelet-rich plasma using the Bio Anti-Ash Regenerative Medical Centrifuge. Once processed, return to your medical PRP kit. You will find one 18-gauge spinal needle used to draw the prepare PRP from the tube. Two 30-gauge mezzo needles used to bend the tubes of prepare PRP. One stopcock used to transfer PRP between two syringes. One 5 ml syringe used to collect platelet-4 plasma. And one 2 ml syringe used to collect platelet-rich plasma. Remove the 18-gauge draw needle, one 30-gauge mezzo needle, and the 2 ml syringe. Take your prepared platelet-rich plasma sample and note the location of the platelet-poor plasma at the top of the tube and the platelet-rich plasma just above the gel separator. To vent the tube, take one 30-gauge mezzo needle, remove the cap and insert the needle into the center of the tube. Take the 18-gauge draw needle and attach it to the 5 ml syringe. Remove the protective cover. We will draw the sample beginning with the platelet-poor plasma and followed by the platelet-rich plasma. Insert the needle into the top portion of the tube and draw out the platelet-poor plasma. Remove the 5 ml syringe from the 18-gauge draw needle and replace with the 2 ml syringe by sealing it into place with the 18-gauge draw needle still inserted into the tube. Once the 2 ml syringe is in place, carefully remove the 18-gauge needle and invert the tube twice in order to resuspend the platelets. Note the change in colors. When this occurs, reinsert the 18-gauge draw needle and 2 ml syringe into the tube just above the lowest part of the gel separator layer. Extract your PRP from the tube and remove the 2 ml syringe from the 18-gauge needle. Safely dispose of the tube 30-gauge mezzo needle and 18-gauge draw needle into a sharps container. Thanks for watching. Bio Anti-Ash, slay your insecurities.